Hey there, Tumbleweeds. I just wanted to share a new song that I used AI to create for my YouTube channel. The name of the song is Like a Tumbleweed. And so I thought I'd put together a few memories of my first 2 years of van life and put it to the song. So enjoy. Here it is. Like a tumbleweed.
In her van, a silver horizon gleams. A nomad, chasing sunlit dreams. With Chia's paws and a heart unbound, they wander through deserts and canyons profound. From Navajo lands to Arizona's glow, a life of freedom where wild spirits flow. Each sunset a story, each dawn a new start, a journey of soul, a wandering art. Like a tumbleweed, like a tumbleweed, she goes where the wind blows her. In her van, a vessel of freedom and grace. A nomad roams the southwestern space. With Chia, her faithful shadow and guide, together they wander the desert with so much pride. Sunsets paint stories on canyon walls. Stars whisper secrets as night softly falls. A life of adventure, unbound and free. In every mile, she finds her jubilee. Like a tumbleweed, like a tumbleweed, she goes where the wind blows her. From Zion's cliffs to Sedona's red glow, through Joshua trees where wild winds blow. Her spirit dances with the canyon song, a journey endless where she belongs. No map can hold the story she will tell, of open roads and freedom's gentle spell. A female nomad, fierce and free, with her dog Chia, wild and carefree. Like a tumbleweed, like a tumbleweed, she goes where the wind blows her. Like a tumbleweed, like a tumbleweed, she goes where the wind blows her.